guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm with another adult coloring book page. Now this one was what I call my Blendorama. I'm out on my front porch enjoying the weather here. Excuse the loud traffic. So this is kind of what I did for my Blendorama. I took some of the greens and I did the background and some purples and different colors, and I would just like take a picture, like, color a little bit, then maybe I'd go over the whole picture like with the green, then I'd color some pinks and I'd color some yellows, and then I would go over like the yellows over another yellow, or pink over a red, and then I would take white crayon and go over the whole picture, and then another green or a little purple. And it's just a fun way to learn something different. So when you're coloring in your adult coloring books or whatever project you're working on, try some different things and methods, and see how your picture comes out. So anyway, I think it came out pretty cute. I'm really happy with it. And I'm going to cut it up for bookmarks for my books. And that's my picture for today. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.